Morning, fellas and ladies. Yeah, we're just here at Rainbow. We're just helping set up for next weekend. Got the Rainbow Risers 240, so yeah, we've been asked to come and do a bit of a working bee. So grabbed a few fellas, and yeah, we'll go check it out. Do a bit of a track review too, so people can see the conditions, and yeah, should be a good day. So you can see there's plenty of room for trucks, trailers. So yeah, they're dedicated spots. You get a number when you enter, and then yeah, we'll set up all numbers along these fence so you know exactly where you've got to park and what bay's yours. And then yeah, to enter the track, you just come up through here. There's an entry and exit. It's pretty straightforward. And you just follow this around. There's always people guiding you. So we're just setting up the start finish line. This is a timing system, so you run a little wire through. We're just helping with ropes because it gets stuck up on the tower here, and that just gets the time. So yeah, Bailey, Damon and Tony and I are setting this up. The track's looking pretty good. We'll do a bit of a drive soon. Yeah, this is how the race gets timed, and everyone's times get kept. So you know what's going on. Setup on the start finish line for the transponder, and now we're just about to go and mark the track. So we've got boxes of, get one out, arrows, so we're going to mark the track out just so you know what's coming up and dangers and that. So we've got dangers and other hazards that are coming up. Yeah, so we'll take you along and show you how that's all done. The conditions of the track as well.
Righto guys, we're just on the track putting up some signs, some arrows for the corners.
Why do we do that?
To guide the cars, know where they're going.
Give us a demo, mate. Show these big guns in the got a couple of screws. So we've got to point them down a certain direction. What the corner's going to do up here, just to give the competitors a bit of a heads up of what's coming up. He's under pressure. So yeah, we give him a bit of a heads up what's going on, just so people can see if that's about perfect where that is now. Yeah, just got a few to do. Oh, perfect.
So while the boys are putting up this timing line, we set up the pits, put all the bunting tape up and the numbers, and nice quick easy job. So yeah, everyone's got a spot, pit allocation, should be good. Yeah. So somehow we've been given the keys to this new Massey. I think it's a Massey. We're just doing a bit of grading of the track with some old motor tyres and that. So just tidying up, just make it a bit more easy
visibility of where the track goes. There's a bit of grass growing, just to save the confusion. But yeah, it's pretty good. Bloody not a bad job to finish the day off.